Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HSGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As far as today's price movement, very, very nice, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume. And, volume wasn't as big as it was in the past, but definitely picked up and got well above average on the day. So eyeballs on this one going forward. And the red line and green line here are from annotations from a previous video I did, but that's also where the first update comes about. And that update is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 23 cents going into today had been that primary area of resistance for the past several days, but now that the price is up above it, according to the rule, you would want to see it act as support. And actually that played out perfectly. The final 30 minutes, the price went down to that area and then got a very nice bounce from 23 cents. So on that note, so far so good. That is a level you would want to see act as support, and it is indeed acting as support. I'm going to actually just get rid of that line for now. Yeah, it pertains, just not relevant. And from the presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. In the event the 23 cent mark does not hold up, that doesn't mean the entire chart is destroyed, because you do still have the purple line down there. The 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 23 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance is just simply where the party finally stopped today, and that was right up there at 24.5 cents. So 24.5, first key level to watch. And then after that, I think the next one's going to be right up there at 25, if my eyes are not just, yeah, right there. So essentially, we'll call this a resistance zone. The quote-unquote zone being defined as 24.5 to up there at 25. And if the price can get up through there, then yeah, there's a lot more room to keep on moving. But overall, great movement today, great volume. So let's see if the price can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.